This is the Korg KR Mini drum machine. It has a pretty nice sound to it and several styles of drum patterns and rhythms. There's a selector switch to the orange knob for the different drum patterns and styles. There's a level knob, which is a volume knob, and a tempo knob to increase or make the tempo faster or slower. And there's several patterns. The yellow buttons are patterns within a particular style or genre. And then there's some editing buttons on the bottom. You can either use batteries or an adapter that you can plug in the wall to power this device. The little hole on the top side there is all one and only output jack for a stereo mini plug for headphones. There's 2 1/4-inch phono jacks that are both for 1 or 2 pedal switches that are optional. That's the DC power jack if you want to use a wall wart power transformer. And that's the power switch to turn the device off and on. There's several different genre selections of drum rhythms. A few of the genres are rock, metal, pop, R&B, jazz, Latin, and there's a couple of others. And now I'm going to let you listen to a few of the drum samples rhythms that this device makes. While you're listening, I'll let you see a few of the oscilloscope waveforms, but it's not a regular waveform because it's a percussion instrument. In fact, the so-called waveform is really more of like a bounce than a wave.